Here is a wonderful 2018 Toyota Camry. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. At the end of the day, it should be about what your car can do for you, not the other way around. This elegant and efficient Toyota Camry puts you and your passengers at the center. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, passenger vanity mirror. Treat yourself to an inspired driving experience. Get into this industry-leading Camry and savor its blend of luxury, efficiency, power, and style. Our team is standing by to make your test drive fun and easy.